Nope.
Not your color?
I'm not a brown guy.
Nope. Not your color either. I'd go for more of a pink.
I think we should go with the silver.
Or blue.
I was feeling
Or
the
blue.
silver. I'm not even gonna lie.
That's definitely Dylan's.
Dylan, it matches your eyes. Right now.
Not right now. Fantastic. Our men are shopping.
Yes.
Only real men shop for purses.
Right here. Oh. Got a spaghetti strap.
Oh, you love spaghetti strips, don't you?
It's pink.
It matches your underwear.
It's like a hair salon up in this bitch.
This is just too great.
Real on him. Ow.
Do it again.
I'm ready to go.
All right.